How to deposit check in Scotia Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can deposit check in Scotia Bank. For that, you want to download and install the Scotia Bank mobile banking app on your device. Once you have installed this, make sure to sign into your account. After you have signed in, on the home screen, tap on Move Money option. Then you want to tap on Deposit a Check option. After that, select Deposit To, and then you will have to select your preferred account. Once that is done, you want to tap on the amount option and enter your amount. Now, the next thing you want to do is take a photo of the front of the check and then the back of the check. For that, tap on this camera icon. Now tap on Continue and take a picture of the front of your check. Then tap on the Use Image option. Now do the same for back of the check. Once you have captured the back of the check, tap on Use Image option. Now you want to slide this to deposit. Check if all the details you have entered are correct. If it is, tap on the Finished option. And in this way, you can very easily deposit check in Scotia Bank. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.